That's my from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. We've finally put the primary on. Okay, we've got all the bolts up. Torqued them up to 21 foot-pound. It's your tensioner. You can still turn your tray, so that's not too tight. We've got the twin cam adapter plate on. This is an S&S T124 that's going to power this baby. As you can see, beautiful motor. Serious horsepower, but not serious horsepower, but serious torque. This is a bagger motor, so basically we got 110 foot-pounds of torque at 2,700 RPM. Only rotates to 4.5, but that's all you need on a bagger, I can assure you from experience with the handling of the things. Even though we've got billet 6 on here, we've got Metma checks, we've got a wider tyre. I've spent a lot of money on this bike over the years, and Gertrude's an amazing bike. It came from Ken Harrison originally. But now ready to put the rotor on, put the clutch and all the mechanism back on. As you can see, we've got the billet 6 going on. This is Ken Harrison's old bike, so we've got billet 6s on. But this really is an awesome motor. We've got a Baker 6 as well. Okay, you don't get a lot better than a Baker 6. And then we've got the twin cam monster. This is a 124. It's only got a small throttle body, but that gives you masses of torque, which in all honesty, the torque is a lot more fun than stupid horsepower at mega RPM on a bagger. You just don't need it. As you can see, here is the bracket that allows us to fit this S&S or twin cam motor into this EVO. So if you're interested in any upgrades at all, give us a bell. This is the air compressor. We can adjust it on the fly. You know, masses and masses of upgrades on this bike. Metma check swinging on, like I say, Peacemaker exhaust, the electric baffles. Again, adjustable off the bars there. Give us a bell, 01773835666. CustomCruisers.com with a Bagger 124 EVO. Best bikes ever built, but this motor actually, I'll be honest with you, S&S twin cam is actually a better motor than the EVO, which is hard to believe. And with a Baker 6-speed, this is your OD6. You know, your overdrive 6. This is the strongest box you can buy as well. So between all these mods, this bike was pretty awesome before with the spews in. But again, that was quite a high revving bike, or very high revving, very fast. But I think the torque is a lot more fun. If you're interested in any upgrades, 01773835666, alternatively CustomCruisers.com. Thank you. See the new site, www.customcruisers.eu as well. Thank you.